You just crashed into the live drive with Disha Oberoi.
This is the Live Drive. My name's Disha Oberoi. You're tuned to Chennai Live 104.8 FM. Today is the 16th of October and World Food Day. As a special, we have in our studios Radha, who's a part of an initiative called Film for Food. Radha, welcome to the studios.
Thank you very much. We're so happy to be here today.
Radha, tell me, what is Film for Food?
Actually, we started our initiative Film for Food due to the issue of hunger, which is prevailing in India, as an awareness project initially to bring about awareness about hunger. Actually, when we think about hunger, we always think about countries of Africa. It's never about India. But the reality is India has 230 million Indians who are hungry today. 1 out of every 3 children do not have food. 21% of the Indian population who do not have the basic meals. It's not like there isn't food in the world. There is food, but it does not get channelized to all people. At one side, there is so much food which is being wasted, and the other side, you have people who do not have anything at all. So, we wanted to create some awareness about this divide, about not wasting food, take tiny steps to see if we could help people by providing them with maybe provisions, organizing Sunday lunches, doing special nutrition drives for children affected by HIV. So it's just baby steps right now, but in a local way.
So tell me, what are these homes and these institutes that you're involved with where you carry out these Sunday lunches and pass on provisions?
Actually, at the moment, we are doing a lot of work in the slums around Arepuram. Apart from that, we've also tied up with a couple of orphanages and HIV homes through this wonderful organization called IAPA. They have been very supportive.
So basically, Radha, the point here is, which is a very valid point that you've put, is whenever people talk about hunger, we go back to these African countries when actually it's all around us. And India has 21% of hungry people in the world, is what you're saying?
Exactly.
That means 1 out of 3 children have no food to eat, which is a very depressing statistic. And like you said, that when we go to pick our monthly rations, if we just pick 1 extra bag of rice or a couple of cartons of milk or maybe a bag of wheat or just 1 extra thing in that big trolley of food that we bring back home, we can actually help in a little way. And you're saying that you will come by and collect it if a call is being made to you.
Exactly.
So you make it very simple for people.
Right. So, even this whole thing of anti-wastage we're trying to promote, which is a huge food revolution in Europe. But anti-wastage hasn't really taken off here in India. But we also want to get into that zone of telling people do not waste.
Alright, so there are 2 things. It's a 2-fold initiative where 1, you want people to contribute. You don't want their money. You're not asking for cash. All you're saying is pick up that extra ration that you think you can afford within your budget. Give Film for Food a call and you will come and pick it up so you can channelize it and pass it around to these homes. Secondly, if people want to volunteer, they can also do that, right? And thirdly, your anti-wastage. That's another huge concept that you want to draw a lot of attention to. I think it's a very noble cause, Radha. Congratulations that you guys have started this. It's not easy to put something like this together. Would you have details that you'd like to give out to people if you've struck a chord with them somewhere, and if they want to get in touch with you, how can they do that?
Actually, Film for Food is very active on the social media. In fact, most of our films that we do make about awareness and anti-wastage is all online on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube for everybody to kind of connect with. You can get in touch with us via email ID, which is filmforfoodmadras@gmail.com. Get in touch with us on 9600076922.
Quickly, I'm going to repeat those details for you. filmforfoodmadras@gmail.com. You can catch them on Facebook. It's facebook.com/filmforfood, and the mobile number would be 9600076922. Radha, thank you so much for being with us. We are also playing a song today, which is special to the initiative Film for Food, and we have the musicians who put that song together on the occasion of World Food Day. Let's have a little chat with them. What do you say?
Cool, we'll do that.
Alright, so I have Shanthan and Anantu with me in the studios. They've come up with a song that's been produced by Film for Food, and Shanthan, tell me about the band that has come up with this song. We'll move into the song in just a bit.
Okay, yeah, basically Black and White concept. We call ourselves as a world music band because the band has a universal appeal to the sound, and because we are from various musical backgrounds. Myself, I'm from the rock blues background. He's from the classical, and the drummer is from a progressive background, and so on and so forth.
Black and White concept is a global music band.
Exactly, we have got like blending of genres,
The band is called Black and White Concept. Let's find out about the song that you've come up with, produced by Film for Food. It's called See the Light. Anantu, tell us about it.
Actually, we wanted to do it as an eye-opener kind of a thing. People know that there is hunger, but they're just not aware of it. They're just not conscious about this. So we wanted to do a song like that, and Film for Food actually gave us an opportunity to do that.
We're going to play that song for our listeners in just a bit. Anything you'd like to tell our listeners before we let you go?
Well, I would like to say, listen to the song and just see the light.
just go by the title of the song. See the Light is what Anantu says. And alright, so we're going to slip into that track. See the Light by the band Black and White Concept. Stay tuned. This is The Live Drive.
I see people dying. I see people killing in the name of nothing. Nothing that matters more than humanity. A lot of things to be mended.